Good morning. Welcome to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some clearing conditions off to our west. We did have a thunderstorm move through the region the last hour or so that is currently off the coast, and we do not have any lightning warnings or advisories out at this time as everything is moving away from the area. We'll see a break in the conditions for later this morning as we do have some clearing off to the west, and we'll see additional shower and a very isolated thunderstorm possible for later on this afternoon. And taking a look at our current radar imagery this morning, you can see we have those showers and some thunderstorms off the coast this morning, continuing to move off to the east. We do have some showers currently well off to our north and west. That's going to be moving towards the region for this afternoon. There has been some lightning with these showers and thunderstorms off to our north and west, but we do have northeasterly flow currently across the region, stabilizing the atmosphere as this boundary has moved through the region, and that should allow us to see some more stable conditions for this afternoon, and the thunderstorm chances will be about 10% with this next batch of rainfall moving through. But overall, for this morning, looking at current surface analysis, we do have a few boundaries across the region. This backdoor cold front moving through the area this morning with the northeasterly flow already in the region. We have another area low pressure that's currently associated with these showers off to our north and west. It's going to be diving south of our area and giving us a chance of rainfall for this afternoon. Our current observation, we have several different cloud layers out there this morning. A few 800 scattered at 5,000, broken 10,000, broken 13,000. Northeasterly winds at 12 knots sustained. Seeing our temperature at 60 degrees and relative humidity at 86%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have some clearing off to our west and to our north. That's going to allow us to see some sunshine for later this morning. And we'll see our next batch of rainfall move in with more cloudiness. So taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see that rainfall moving off the coast this morning, and then the next batch of rainfall moving in around noon today. Could see as early as about 10 o'clock some sprinkles in the area, but overall most likely will be about noon until about 4 o'clock this afternoon into the early evening hours. You see the higher DBZs off to our south and to our west associated with the more unstable atmosphere across that region. Will be stable with the northeasterly winds across the region for this afternoon. You can see by the evening hours, we'll see those clouds really clear out and looking like we're going to have a nice Wednesday across the region. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll see those chances of rainfall from this morning through the afternoon hours. Best chance of rainfall comes between noon and 1600 local. We'll see a high around 68 degrees today, a low tonight around 48. Northeasterly winds will pick up, especially once this second area of low pressure moves through the region. Seeing those winds gusting to 23, 24 knots. So can't rule out a brief period of winds at 25 knots for later this afternoon into the early evening hours. Then overnight, with the clearing skies, high pressure building in, light winds out of the northeast or north-northeast. Our terminal forecast for today, we're going to see skies becoming partly to mostly cloudy for a brief time period later this morning, and we'll see some cloudiness moving back in after about 11 local. Chance of rainfall thereafter. 10% chance of a thunderstorm between 11 and 1400 local, but most likely with those northeasterly winds, stable atmosphere in place, shouldn't see any lightning anymore today. And then thereafter, we're going to see just some cloudy skies, a chance of some sprinkles in the region until about 20 local. And then overnight, we'll see clear skies developing across the region. And by Wednesday local, just a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Our tides are running normal. Looking at Wednesday into Thursday, some really nice spring days ahead. Wednesday, mostly sunny, partly cloudy and pleasant, high 68. Wednesday night, mostly clear, and seasonable, low 50. And for Thursday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant, high 74 degrees. Green charts across the board. Temperatures about seasonable for this time of year, and some really nice conditions in store. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We're back at 10 o'clock. Look at the next 7 days.